To kick off today's ceremony, we have the award for the Small Renovation Project, sponsored by Fix Radio.
The winner is IJ Curry and Son Limited. Fix Radio have been on air for over 8 years now. We reach 862,000 tradespeople on a weekly basis. We're incredibly unique in that we were created and are curated for the trade. All of our presenters are tradies, either current or nearly retired, like Clive Holland. So Fix Radio is here to look after those guys down there and keep them entertained every day.
It's just an unbelievable accolade for everything that we've achieved over the last 35 years, really. It's chuffed a bit.
We had to take the roof off to get the bath into the top of the house, which that was quite a challenge. Yeah. We couldn't do this without the team.
No.
It's a whole team effort, and we're so proud of them. There's lads that have been with us for nearly 30 years. So when Dad started, and yeah, it's great.